Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve page not available. The page you are trying to access has no supported features and it's not available. Let's fix that problem guys. Go to search menu and type Windows Security. On right side here will be option guys, app settings. Wait for it. Click on app settings over here, select it. Scroll down guys, here will be option repair. Click on repair. Now check your problem has been resolved or not. If not, click on reset option here, select reset. So this will permanently delete the app's data on this device guys. Select reset. After finishing resetting guys, open Windows Security and check whether problem has been resolved or not. If you still having a problem, let's fix that guys. Let's move on to the next solution. For that, go to search menu and type edit group policy. Edit group policy. Open it. In here you need to, in computer configuration under administrative templates, expand it and expand the Windows components and search for Microsoft Defender antivirus. Microsoft Defender antivirus, click on it. On right side, click on turn off Microsoft Defender antivirus, double click on it. Select disabled and select apply and OK. And you just need to expand the Microsoft Defender antivirus, expand it and select the client interface. On right side, double click on the enable headless UI mode, double click on it and select disabled and apply and OK. After saving changes, close out of here guys. Now changes take effect. For changes take effect, you just need to restart your PC guys. For that, click on start icon and select restart and select restart it your device guys. After getting restart done, your problem has been resolved. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.